Hey everyone, it's Powell. I was tutoring a student the other night and I came across a log problem that was so cool that I wanted to show it to you. So we have log base 2 of the square root of 2x on the left equals the square root of log base 2 of 2x. So what I'm going to do first is, in the log on the left, I'm going to change the radical in terms of an exponent. So I have log base 2 of the quantity 2x to the 1/2 power. And notice I'm not going to do that for the right-hand side. There's a specific reason why, which I'll get to. And then next I'm going to take that exponent that's inside the log on the left, and I'm going to move it as a coefficient for that log. So this becomes 1/2 log base 2 of 2x equals the square root of log base 2 of 2x. Now again, notice I'm not going to do that for the right-hand side, and in fact I can't do it for the right-hand side. So to show you why I can't, I'm going to do it in red so you know that you can't do this. Red means bad, well, in this case anyway. Let's say I changed the radical on the right into, or in terms of an exponent, made this log base 2 of 2x to the 1/2. The reason I could move the coefficient down on the left is because the exponent was inside the log. I cannot do that for the right because it's not the 2x that's being brought to the 1/2 power, it's the entire log. So that 1/2 power would have to stay. So, unfortunately, you cannot bring that down in the same manner that you could for the left-hand side. So I wanted to address why I didn't and why I absolutely can't. So now back to the actual problem. The only way to get rid of the radical on the right-hand side is to take the square, or square both sides. So squared, squared. So I have 1/2 squared, which is 1/4, times log base 2 of 2x squared equals log base 2 of 2x, because that radical went away. But notice I have a log base 2 of 2x squared on the left. And again, I cannot bring that 2 down because it's not the 2x that's being squared, it's the entire log that's being squared. So, what do we do at this point? Well, notice I have a log base 2 of 2x on the right. Notice I have a log base 2 of 2x squared on the left. So I'm going to divide both sides by log base 2 of 2x. And this is the cool part. Log base 2 of 2x divided by itself leaves off a 1. And log base 2 of 2x squared divided by log base 2 of 2x is log base 2 of 2x. That's so cool. And now we just go about the problem as we normally would. Multiply both sides by 4 to get rid of that 1/4. My iPad has to catch up a little bit, so I'm going to keep going. Multiply both sides by 4 to get rid of that 1/4, and we have log base 2 of 2x equals 1 times 4, or 4. There we are. My variable is trapped inside the log, so I have to rearrange it into exponential form. So base 2 to the 4th power equals 2x. 2 to the 4th is 16. So 16 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. And you get x equals 8. I think that's a really cool log problem. And I hope you did too. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with other people who are studying logs. They might come across a problem like this. This one was kind of a doozy at first, but once you get the hang of it, you kind of know what to do. Thanks for watching.